Good morning, beta. Good morning. So now we were doing the chapter the hack driver and we left it in between. Okay. So will you please take out the chapter the hack driver? Take out the chapter. Taken out? Have you taken out, children? Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Take out the chapter the hack driver.
Yes, ma'am.
Taken out?
Yes, ma'am.
So we had completed the first part of the hack driver. Up till where had we done? Just let me know, hurry up. Which was the last para we did? And who remembers the story? Who had gone to the village?
Lawyer. I'm a lawyer.
Okay, very good, lawyer. Why did he go, beta?
Ma'am, you have
Ma'am,
to
someone
summons.
Oliver Lipton.
Yes, to give summon to Oliver Lutkins. Did he find Oliver Lutkins? No.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am. He was not able to find. Okay. Now, who helped him in finding Oliver Lutkins?
Ma'am, Bill. Ma'am, Bill.
Bill. And who was Bill, beta?
Ma'am, Oliver Lipton.
The hack driver. Isn't it? That will be revealed afterwards that who was Bill. But in the beginning, we find that he was the hack driver who had been helping this lawyer in finding out Lutkins. Okay. So wherever they go, they fail to find him. And finally, the lawyer, he starts feeling hungry and he demands for a restaurant. He asks for a restaurant, but the hack driver says that his wife is going to pack lunch for both of them and she won't charge, okay, more than $50. They'll go and sit somewhere and they'll have the restaurant, they'll have the lunch. And he thought that homemade lunch is much better than the greasy meal of a restaurant, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then I know that Bill's helplessness. You got the para?
Which page number?
Yes. Who got the para?
Which page number?
Ma'am, 50. Ma'am, page number 50.
Ah, Ishika has announced page number 50. And Ishika, which para?
Ma'am, second. I know that Bill's helpless.
And Harsh Mundra, this you must know. It's
Yes,
very
ma'am.
shameful that you are asking us which page number. So many times I tell you people, wherever we finish, you just put a right mark. Okay, on the next para from where we have to begin the next day or whenever we are going to begin. So page number 50 and the last para, Ishika.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am, second. Ma'am, starting the second para.
Yes, what happened, Dev?
मैम हमारा मोबाइल खराब हो गया तो मैम एक्टिविटी आज भेज दे क्या?
नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है बेटा, और जब भी भेजनी थी आपको दूसरे मोबाइल से भेजते।
मैम रिपेयर होना गया था मैम मोबाइल।
आप मैसेजेस तो बहुत भेजते हो मुझे।
मैं वो दूसरे मोबाइल से भेजते, मैं वो पापा ले जाते फिर।
वो तो मैंने तो लाइंस पूरे दिन खुली रखी हुई थी, वो तो ऑन था पूरे दिन ही मेरा। चलिए
मैम
बाद
आज
में
भेज देंगे मैम।
बाद बाद में देखते हैं, भेज देना चलो।
ओके मैम, ओके।
But on the WhatsApp group, but how will you send on the WhatsApp group? Wait, I'll
मैं
let
आपको
you know.
मैसेज कर दूंगा।
Okay, I'll let you. Okay,
ओके।
fine, better put the date. Written. I know that
Yes,
Bill's
ma'am.
helplessness to the young fellow from the city was not entirely a matter of brotherly love. I was paying him for his time. In the end, I paid him for 6 hours, underline, including the lunch hour at what was then a very high price. So now the writer, means the narrator, the lawyer, says that though Bill helped him, but he did not help because of any kind of brotherly affection or brotherly love. Okay, why did this hack driver help the lawyer? Why? Because the lawyer was paying him for his time. Okay, उसके time के लिए pay कर रहा था, and the lawyer, he says that in the end he paid him for 6 hours, even the lunch hour. Okay, even he paid him for the lunch hour at. He says that it was though a very high price, but still he paid him. Okay, for 6 hours, including the lunch hour also. But finally he thinks that after all he was not dishonest. Okay, very honestly he was doing his duty. I charged the whole thing to the firm, but it would have been worth paying him myself to have his presence. His cheerful country wisdom was very refreshing to a country boy like myself who was sick of the city. Okay, now the writer says कि I'm going to charge the whole thing from the firm. Okay, whatever expenses he was doing there, because the lawyer, he was on duty. Okay, and he was sent by the law firm there to find out Lutkins. So whatever he was paying, whether for the lunch, whether for any kind of fare, whether for any kind of other expenses, a firm is going to repay him. तो वो कहता है कि the whole thing, it would be paid by the firm. Okay, but he says that being with the hack driver, it did not pay me to pay him a high price. Why? Because he was very cheerful. बहुत खुश मिजाज था वो, है ना। तो कहता है बहुत ज्यादा एनर्जेटिक था, बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल था। तो कहता है वो कि his cheerful country wisdom, it was very refreshing to a country boy like myself. Even this lawyer, he was a country boy. तो कहता है उसकी जो country wisdom थी, it was really very refreshing. And this lawyer, he was very sick of living in the city. So when he found the hack driver who was very cheerful and whose presence gave him lot of, okay, energy, who refreshed him, so it gave him a kind of a joy. As we sat on the hilltop looking over the pastures and creek which slipped among the trees, he talked of New Million and painted a picture in words of all the people in it. And now he says that they both were sitting on the hilltop to have their lunch, and when they were sitting, they were looking at the creeks, the pastures, and all. Uh, this hack driver, he started talking of New Million, and he just presented. Painted means he did not do it physically. ऐसे नहीं कि उसने कुछ पेपर या कुछ ऐसा उठाया पेंट करा. Okay, means he described. Okay, through the words he made a picture of all the people who were living there in New Million. He noticed everything, but no matter how much he might laugh at people, he also understood and forgave their foolishness. Now the lawyer sees that the hack driver, he was not a fool, he noticed everything. And though the people laughed at him, but still he forgave their foolishness. He understood the people. He described the minister's wife who sang the loudest in church when she was most in debt. Now see, the hack driver and they both were sitting on the hilltop, and the hack driver, he was describing about the place where he was living, and he started also describing the people. okay, of the place. So he talks about many people and he says that though they laughed at me, they had done something to me, but still, I had forgiven them. And then he talks about the minister's wife. Who is the minister? I said, the priest, okay, one who performs prayers in the church. तो वो कहता है जब minister's wife, when she's there in the church and when she's singing in a very loud manner, it means that she is in debt. Okay, she has borrowed money from others, कर्जे में डूबी हुई है, उसने पैसा लिया हुआ है, इसलिए वो बहुत टेंस रहती है और जब वो जोर जोर से गाती है तो ये एक इंडिकेशन होता है कि she is in debt. He commented on the boys who came back from college in fancy clothes और फिर वो वहाँ के बच्चों के बारे में, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स के बारे में बोलता है, who returns to village. Why? Because they are studying in college and they wear different kind of fashionable clothes. He told about the lawyer whose wife could never succeed in getting him to put on both a collar and a tie on the same day. और फिर एक लॉयर के बारे में बोलता है जिसकी वाइफ कभी भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हुई in putting both the collar and the tie, okay, on the same day, single day पर. Then he made them all live, sorry, okay, और बिल्कुल उनको लाइव बना दिया, लाइव मीन्स लाइवली कर दिया बिल्कुल, okay, in front of the lawyer. On that day I came to know New Million better than I did the city and to love it better. So the head driver described each and every person of the New Million. तो वो कहता है कि उस दिन मैं न्यू मिलियन बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ गया, better than the place, the city where I live. There I hardly knew about the people, about the character, about the behavior, about the manner. But on that particular day when he had his lunch with the head driver described each and every person of the village and he knew them very well. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Bill didn't know about college and cities, but he had traveled around a lot of the country and had a lot of jobs. Now, Bill, he did not have any knowledge about colleges and cities, okay? But as a hack driver, he had traveled a lot and he had done lots of different jobs, different work. From his adventures, he had brought back a philosophy of simplicity and laughter. He strengthened me. And from these adventures, okay, the adventurous work that he had been doing all the time, वो कहते हैं कि एक ऐसी फिलॉसफी उसने मुझे शो करी that was of simplicity and laughter, and he strengthened me and he made me strong, he gave me strength. We left that peaceful scene of meadows and woods, कहते हैं वो जहाँ पे meadows and woods, वहां से we came out. They finished the lunch and everything, they came out and resumed means continued the search of Oliver Whitfield. We couldn't find him. At last, Bill cornered a friend of Lutkin's and made him admit what he guessed. Oliver's gone out to his mother's farm 3 miles north. And finally, Bill, he just got a hold of one of the friends of Lutkin's and asked him and made him admit it. So the friend, he says that what he guessed, okay, उसने सिर्फ guess करा था कि maybe Oliver's gone to his mother, okay, who lives 3 miles away from here. We drove out there laying plans, and then they just started driving 3 miles north towards the north direction and 3 miles away from the place the mother she lived. So they started driving out there and making the plans how to catch Oliver Lutkins. I know Oliver's mother, she's a terrible side. Now listen, okay, somewhat humor is there in this. अब वो कहते हैं कि मैं ओलिवर की मदर को जानता हूँ, शी इज अ बिग टेरर, everybody is terrorized, she terrorizes everyone, everybody is scared of her. I took a trunk out there for her once and she almost took my skin off because I didn't treat it like a box of eggs. अब वो कहता है कि once it so happened that I took a big trunk, a big iron box, okay, एक लोहे का बहुत बड़ा सा बॉक्स मैं वहां लेकर गया and she almost took off my skin off. ओके, मेरी तो वो बिल्कुल चमड़ी उधेड़ देती. Means she started beating the truck driver because the hack driver. Why? Because वो कहता है I did not treat it like a box of eggs. यानी very delicately I did not reach the trunk. Okay, I did not take the trunk in a very delicate manner. And it was not possible for him to take this huge big, okay, iron trunk in a delicate manner. Possible है कि बड़ा सा लोहे का बक्सा बड़े delicately लेकर जाओ. तो इस वजह से उसको बहुत he was beaten up, okay, by Oliver's mother. क्यों? क्योंकि वो चाहती थी कि जो हेड ड्राइवर है उसको बहुत अच्छे से कैरी करके he should have brought, okay, in a very delicate manner. Underline, she is about 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat, and she sure can talk. Okay, now he describes the physical appearance of Oliver's mother. 9 feet tall, see, and 4 feet broad, okay, thick, but still she is very fast as a cat and very talkative. I'll bet Oliver heard that somebody's chasing him and he's gone on there to hide behind his mother's skirts. Okay. अब कहता है head driver कहता है कि I can bet, you know, I'm sure that somebody might have given this news to Lutkins that a lawyer is looking for him, so he has gone to his mother to hide behind his mother's skirts. Okay, मतलब उसके उसमें छुप जाएगा. Okay, skirt does not mean behind mother's dress, yani uske साए में. Well, we'll try her, but you would better let me do it, boy. Okay. Head driver को but don't worry, we are going to try, but let me do it. You may be great at literature and law, but you haven't had real training in swearing. Okay. कहते हैं तुम कितने भी great हो literature and law में, but you do not have any kind of training in swearing. Now we drove into a poor farmyard. They went, okay, it was a poor farmyard. Tha. We were faced by an enormous and cheerful old woman. Now see, they were faced, yani, what happened when they reached there? Okay, they were confronted by an enormous, means a very huge, but cheerful old woman she was. My guide bravely went up to her. The lawyer says, my guide. Who was his guide? The head driver. So he went up to that old woman and said, remember me, I'm Bill Magnuson, the carter and the hatman. Okay? और वहां जाके वो अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देता है, कहता है, do you remember me? I'm Bill Magnuson. Okay? The carter and the head driver. Okay? The carriage driver. I want to find your son, Oliver. I have come to find your son, Oliver. I don't know anything about Oliver and I don't want to, she shouted. Now, that old woman, she started shouting and she says, I do not know anything, okay, about my son. Look here, we have had just about enough nonsense. This young man represents the court in the city and we have a legal right to search all properties for this Oliver Lutkins. Now the hack driver, he becomes somewhat stern, strict in his voice and says, "Ki lot of nonsense had been done. Now there shouldn't be any kind of more nonsense." This young man, and he points out towards the lawyer and he says that this man, you know, he represents the court and he has come from the court to give summon to your son, and we are having all the legal rights, okay, to search all your properties and anyway to find out Oliver Lutkins. Bill made me sound very important. अब Bill ने ऐसा introduction दिया as if this lawyer, you know, he has some very important, okay, prestigious position. And the woman was impressed. She retired into the kitchen and we followed. Means she went into the kitchen and they both of them, they followed her. She seized an iron from the old-fashioned stove and marched on her shouting. Okay. Now this old woman, she entered her kitchen. They both followed her without knowing what she was doing, what she was going to do next. Okay. नहीं मालूम था, वो गई उसने एक बड़ी सी आयरन की छड़ी निकाली, ओके, स्टोव में से, and she marched on us shouting, and she just went towards both of them shouting, जोर से चिल्लाने लगी, you search all you want to, if you don't mind getting burned first. कहते okay fine, if you want to search you can search, but first I'm just going to burn you with this iron rod, and then you search all my properties. She shouted and laughed at a frightened retreat. Retreat means they were just trying to run away. Why? They were scared of that hot iron rod. है ना? Anybody would be, कोई भी डर सकता था. तो वो वुमन कहती है सर्च करना हो श्योरली सर्च कर लो, लेकिन उससे पहले आई एम गोइंग टू बर्न यू विद दिस हॉट आयरन रॉड. एंड देन शी शाउटेड, जोर से चिल्लाने लगी. Let's get out of here, she'll murder us, Bill whispered. A Bill, dheere se whispering is a very soft sound, okay, told the lawyer. Let us move out, otherwise she's going to murder, she's going to kill us today. Outside he said, did you see her smile? She was laughing at us. और बाहर आके बिल लॉयर को कहता है कि उसको देखा, she was mocking at us, वो हमारी हंसी उड़ा रही थी, हम पर हंस रही थी. I agreed it was a pretty disrespectful treatment. Okay, the lawyer, even he agrees that this was somewhat disrespect. Okay, it was an humiliation, an insult. We did, however, search the house since it was only one-story house. Bill went around it, peering at all the windows. But still they searched the house. It was a single-storied house. एक मंजिल का मकान था, तो ज़्यादा समय भी नहीं लगा. Bill, he went, he thoroughly searched. We examined the barn and the stable, and we were reasonably certain that Lutgens was not there. और जो बर्नयार्ड और वो सब था ना, उसको बहुत अच्छे से उन लोगों ने, है ना, सर्च करा. स्टेबल, बर्नयार्ड वगैरह जो था पूरा, है ना, स्टोर हाउसेस वगैरह सब अच्छे से सर्च करे. बट Lutgens, he was not there. Now it was nearly time for me to catch the afternoon train, and Bill drove me to the station. And finally it was the time for the lawyer to catch his train. No other option he had. Now he cannot wait anymore. And Bill, he took him to the station. Got it? Everybody understood, beta? Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
we'll just do the remaining part tomorrow, and listen one thing. Revise all the question answers of the chapter. Clear or not? What am I saying? Revise all the question answers of the chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Within the chapter, given in the beginning of the chapter, within the chapter. Do not leave any of the questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Of this chapter,
What happened? Yes, what happened, beta?
ma'am, we have to revise the question answers of this chapter or of
Not
12.
of this chapter. I'm talking about the chapters that are coming in the half-yearlies. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? समझ में आया? Long answers, you know the pattern of the paper, na? 20 marks objective and 30 marks subjective. समझ गए? ये तो मालूम है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and in the subjective, I'll just not give the long answers. Maybe up till the 60 words, maybe 30 to 40 words. Okay, so accordingly, you just learn the answer. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye, beta. Take care. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Goodbye.
ma'am.
God
Thank
bless
you,
you.